welcome to the Unloved Garage. I'm Mike, this is the garage, and if you don't know what we do here, let me show you. Good morning and welcome back to what the hell are we doing here at 4:30 for R5 in the morning, what time it is now. It's now 2:35 AM and we're back. And the cooling system pressurized and milkshake went absolutely everywhere. Hello again, welcome back to the Unloved JDM Garage. And I did say in the last video that there's 3 new cars on the horizon. Well, not even on the horizon, they're already here. So you saw the Civic if you saw the last video. You'll see in this one, the next 2. Dead as you are. Slight left, James. Very slight, yep. Yep, straight forwards, back a foot. That'll do, yeah. Nice. It's happening! Look at his little face! Oh, it's happening, mate. Not anymore. Nope. It'll sound better. Knocking like crazy, that. Mitsubishi FTOs. Pretty sure you've seen those on the channel before, even if you haven't watched us very much. I'm sure you've seen one. We are quite well known for these at the moment, as we've done quite a few. We've even given 2 of them away. This one, let me show you. So this one belongs to a customer. This is not our car. This one is a job that's coming in. So we went to collect this car from, I think the car was from Doncaster. We've brought it up to Scarborough to our garage to get all the work done on it, and I'm not going to go through that in much detail right now, but when this one comes to the front of the to-do list, you'll see a lot more on it. Do you want to drive it? Keys in ignition. Hey James, hold on. If you can get it to start without me saying anything, I'll give you £1.
Oh, wow, £1.
All right.
Fucking almost half the way, so I might as well.
Go on then.
That's the fucking thing in it. Make the rotund guy clap.
No, you don't have to get in to start it if you don't want to. Your objective first is to start it. Out of gear, obviously. I can take bumper out as well if you want.
Yeah.
Don't take bumper out passenger side. I forgot that was in there. I started unloading it then talking to you. Snug is the word.
What's the blanket for? Is that to cover?
Take them out. They're covered in dog hairs. It was to cover interior.
You know, interior is ripped, doesn't it?
He will do, yeah, but he just wanted to keep it as nice as possible. Not yet. James is in it now though, so anything's possible.
What?
He says it had a fire. I says not yet.
Oh, but I know what. Yeah, James will have a kill switch somewhere. She's gonna have a kill switch.
Cold. Let's play hot and cold. Cold. Cold works. Cold.
James will have a kill switch in it.
Yeah, it's all really well built, don't worry about it. Right, might stick on, as I say, ramp, but we'll see. It's not a kill switch. It's a start button that's hidden. Obviously, if you have seen the channel, if you haven't, make sure you take a look at what we've already got going on, because we're in the middle, or should I say, nearing the end of one complete Mitsubishi FTO restoration, which has been with us for about 9 months or so now, and it's looking really good, but I can't show you that in this video either. So if you're a regular viewer to the channel, if you've been out with us, if you've known us over the last year or two, you've definitely seen this car before. Let me show you James's car. As you are. Slight left, James. Very slight, yep. Yep, straight forwards, back a foot. That'll do, yeah. Nice. It's happening! Look at his little face! Oh, it's happening, mate. Not anymore. Nope. It'll sound better. Knocking like crazy, that. Yeah. Never mind. So James's Subaru is, or should I say, was a non-turbo, automatic, classic wagon, basically. 1997 year it is, or was. The plan is with it. The car's going to be completely resprayed in a new colour. It's going to be all tidied up front to back. Everything that he's always wanted to do with it, he's now going to get to do. He's going to manual convert it, but he's also going to turbo convert it. So viewers of the channel know the Subaru that we've done before, which was my one, or my daughter's one as it actually was. That one we did a full turbo swap on, and taking it from a non-turbo to a turbo, put all the WRX essentials into it, and that's been running now for well over a year, and it's been perfectly fine. And there's quite an interesting update to come to that at the end of this video. You'll see that in a moment. So if you want to see any more, you're going to have to subscribe and keep watching.